We'll continue our discussion on the joy of x regarded to the maximum to infinity. So here we talk about thing globally. The idea is what is right on the curved surface. This is what the discussion is. In the era of globalization, global act, and intercontinental air travel, all of us should try to learn little about spherical geometry and its modern generalization defined geometry. The idea is he says that in a globe, from one to another place, how to go. Okay? Most people, how to connect New York City. Okay. They always fly. See, he is trying to point out that the path actually is the path on the surface of the globe. So then what is right here? The shortest way to get from New York to home is go past North Scotland, Newfoundland, head out of the Atlantic and finally pass through South Ireland, fly across and to arrive at the sunny limit. Okay? It is actually, this is the most, it has to follow the curvature of the surface. So it's called great circle. And the kind of path on the globe is called an arc of a great circle. Like straight line in ordinary space, great circle on a sphere contain the shortest path between any two points. They are called great because they are the largest circle you can have on a sphere. Okay, consider example includes equator, the longitudinal circle that passes through the north and south pole. Now the main point is you want to say it is straight. Another property that line and great circle share is that they are the straightest path between the 2 points. That might seem strange. All the paths on the globe are curved. So what do we mean by the straightest? Well, some paths are more curved than the others. The great circle do not do any additional curving above and beyond what they are forced to do by following the surface of the sphere. Okay, this is the main idea. It can be explained that way. Here is a way to visualize this. Imagine you are riding a tiny bicycle on the surface of the globe. You are trying to stay on the road, certain path. It's a path of a great circle. You can keep the front wheel pointed straight ahead all the time. That is the sense in which great circles are straight. In contrast, if you try to ride along a line of latitude near one of the poles, you will have to keep the handlebars turned. Of course, okay. This is the important point and it has got implications. That is, you can similarly even this is with all this you may be wondering if geodesics have anything to do with it. The straight path on a curved surface is called geodesics. Of course they do. Einstein showed that light beams follow geodesics as they sail through the universe. The famous bending of satellite around the sun, detected in the eclipse observation in 1999, confirmed that light travels on geodesics through the curved space-time, with the warping being caused by the sun's gravity. So that is the important. And now move down to the mathematics of finding shortest path is critical to the routing of traffic on internet.